Hey, it's the classy Cheapskate, and this money laid chain is so easy to make. It's literally one of my go-to crafts because it's so simple to put together that you can even make it while watching your favorite show. I'm using 50 crisp dollar bills and 50 pieces of colored paper cut to the same size as the dollar bill, which is 6 inches by 2.5 inches each. Customize your lay however you wish. If your bills are not crisp, simply give them a nice crisping with a quick pass of an iron or hair straightener. To begin, place the bill face down in front of you. Fold the bottom upward. Open it back up and fold the bottom up to the center crease. Now fold the top down to the center crease. Fold the bill upward again, so now you have a long strip. Flatten it nicely with a credit card or paper folding tool. Next, fold in half across President Washington's mouth. Open it up and fold each end into the center. Then fold in half again. That's it. Repeat this process for all of your dollar bills and paper pieces. You can use most any paper, but the thinner the paper, the easier it is to fold and assemble. I'm just using what I have on hand to save money and to be more economical. I'm even using the backing paper from my shipments. But here's where you don't want to go too cheap by using low-grade bulk elementary school construction paper. If so, your paper's probably just going to crack like this. If you want to save time, use a paper cutter with a built-in ruler to cut your paper. I've had this paper cutter for decades, and it's still sharp. Plus, they still sell the thing. It's classic, and I use it several times a week. So I definitely got my money's worth out of this product. It's X-Acto brand, and you don't have to buy replacement blades like other cutters. Here's another tip. I like to cut 2 to 4 pieces of paper at once, depending on the thickness, to save time because we all know time is money. If your paper is really thick, you can score it right on the cutting board too, using the built-in grid lines, just like this. Scoring means to place little lines in your paper using a scoring tool, so that folding is much easier. Again, I've owned this scoring tool for about 30 years, and it's still a go-to product that I use all the time. Now, it's time for assembly. As you can see, there are 2 different looks to each piece. One side is more complicated with more edges, and the other is simple and looks more like bunny ears. Slide a piece of colored paper, bunny ear side down, through the bunny ear side of a piece of your folded money. Then, slide a piece of money, bunny ear side down, through the bunny ear side of the colored piece of paper. Repeat until you reach the end. Cut a tiny piece of clear tape and fold it over the end to finish off the chain. Or you can opt to add a dab of hot glue, or simply leave it as is. The chain is pretty secure just on its own. It's that simple. Now your graduate can save their graduation cord as a memory or spend it at their will. If you want, you can make a lei with less money just by using more paper and less dollar bills. You can also make it shorter. It's up to you. Have fun playing around. If you follow my exact steps, all of your bills should show the same repeating pattern on the lei, and each side will look a little different. Well, thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate, and please give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for other great money gift ideas.